Alright, so we're going to start with this shape, but I'm going to go ahead and undo this. And this is going to show us how to do the circular pattern. So the shape, pretty easy. Start in the top view if you want. Rotate to the top view so we can sketch. We're going to do a circle, start at the origin, and I'm going to dimension this to 6 inches. Alright, now you could do both circles at one time, but for this one you want to do them separately. I'm going to click the check, and I'm going to extrude. Click in my circle. I'll do 1 inch. Alright, now the next part, because we're going to circular pattern, it doesn't really matter where this circle is, but I'm going to start a sketch on the top face. I'm going to grab my circle, and I like to be lined up, so I'm just going to do that. Just make a circle like that. I'm going to dimension it at 1 inch. Click the check, and I'm going to extrude that circle or use that circle to remove, and I'm going to do through all. So now I've got the circle going all the way through. So I click the check. Alright, now we are going to pattern this all the way around. So circular pattern is behind linear pattern. I'm going to choose circular pattern. And now this time, last time we did parts. This time we're just going to do features. So I'm going to choose feature, and now it wants me to choose my feature. So I'm going to go down, I'm just going to choose extrude 2 from my list over here. And then axis, you can just click on a circle because there's an axis in the middle. Now let's see how many we can do. That looks pretty good. So 15. Let's see what happens if we do 16. Will it start eating itself? No, 16 works too. So we do 16. Click the check, and we've made a little gear. So we could go more if you want. This is all. You just got to put this in 3D view, take a screenshot. But remember, whoever does the most gets some sort of extra credit. So what I'm going to do is make a little triangle to make it lightweight. So I'm going to start a sketch on the front, and then I'm just going to make a line that goes to that part of the gear. And then I'm going to make the same line that goes to the other like that. Now I'm going to take my arc tool and make an arc like that, and then an arc like that, and I don't like how this is, so I'm going to go back and delete it. I want those two arcs to be lined up, so I'm going to go here. Get away from that one. I want that to be straight up and down, but I want it to go this way. And then I'm going to take my tangent tool, which is in here. I'm going to make this tangent and that tangent, so it kind of smooths it out. I think if I do this one, it's going to go too crazy, so we'll just leave that one like it is. Alright, now I'm going to cut this out, so I'm going to go to extrude. I'm going to cut the middle. I want to leave that part. Remove through all. Actually, yeah, we'll go through all. Alright, and check. And then we'll do circular pattern. We want to do feature. I'll choose this extrude. Axis. I'm going to have to just get that little part of the circle right there. And sure, 4. And now we've got this cooler shape. So just a little bit extra there, but you only got to do the first part. And but keep going if you want.